One reason that the parrots are doing so well here in South Texas is that they have a great food supply in the form of honey mesquite beans. The inside of the pod surrounding the seeds is this nutritious pulp. It's delicious too. People can actually eat it. A lot of birds can eat things that we can't eat, but this is one you can. Try it. Break it in, chew on it.
Yummy! Actually really sweet.
Very sweet.
You kind of chew around the pip and spit it out.
That's right. The seeds aren't edible. They're super hard. They'll break your teeth if you're not careful.
Tastes really good.
Excellent.
These parrots have got really good choice in food. This is good stuff. What awesome views of red-crowned parrots. Oh man.
Beautiful birds, aren't they?
There's evening light on them. The view through these Nikon binoculars is crystal clear. Yeah, red-crowned parrot, our golden bird. Yes, well played, Rich. Nice one.